Alright guys, welcome back. I've got a video here of something a little bit different. These are truly custom. These are your Slingshot bolt-on rings, your application specific or direct bolt-on. But these are stainless. So these don't have to be powder coated, these don't have to be painted, they don't have to be primed, epoxy primed, nothing. These are solid stainless steel rings. So these guys are heavy, they are very well built. And they're very, very thick material. So just as a reference, this is an 1/8 inch little flat bar that I use as a gauge, and you know, we're just under 1/8 on that. So I'm not sure the gauge on these, but they're very heavy, very, very high quality. And so this is obviously a 6-row, and this is your double LED, again going on a Slingshot. He's going out to Dave up in Pennsylvania. So now Dave's got the underbody kit. He's got the 10-piece eyebrow set, the hood kit, the interior, the exterior, obviously the rims, the mirror kit, everything, the whole nine. And so all that is done. I just finished getting the rim lights together and going through the final testing phase on these. And I thought I would show off that stainless steel. So these are really, really beautiful. So anyway, if you're looking for a set or something similar, shoot me a message or click the link in the video description below to the website where you can get prices and options on most of the kits. I haven't had a chance to put all the kits up there. I know I keep saying that. You guys see I'm busy. I stay busy after this. I've got like 5 more other orders to do. 2 of them are every kit that I've got, so they're really large orders. You know, just as a point of reference, you can do like this kit here, a 6-row with some other guys will cost you about $2 grand. This kit with me is about, on a 6-row, is around 700, something like that. Obviously not on stainless steel, because stainless steel is really expensive. But I do put them on powder coated rings. If you want some stainless steel rings, let me know. I mean, I can do it, but I tell you now, they're not cheap. But you never have to worry about them rusting. But all the other kits, you know, if you're looking for something you don't see on the website, shoot me a message. I'll give you the price list on everything. It's not that I'm hiding it. I just haven't had a chance to put everything on the website. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys' love and support. Lifetime warranty on all the LEDs. Any questions, you know, just reach out to me, let me know, and I'll be glad to address them. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.